How to carve a turkey chicken like a pro. Subscribe for more videos. Carving a turkey like a pro requires some basic knowledge and techniques to ensure that the turkey is carved properly and efficiently. The first step in carving a turkey is to make sure that it is fully cooked and has had time to rest before carving. Begin by removing the legs and thighs by cutting through the skin and meat where the leg and thigh meet the body. Once the leg and thigh are removed, slice the meat off the bones and serve. Next, remove the wings by cutting through the skin and meat where the wing meets the body. Slice the meat off the bones and serve. To remove the breast meat, begin by slicing along the breastbone, using a sharp carving knife. Carefully slice the meat off the breastbone, keeping the knife close to the bone. Once one side of the breast meat is removed, repeat on the other side. After removing the breast meat, slice the meat crosswise into thin slices for serving. To serve, arrange the turkey on a platter with the carved meat arranged attractively. Use a sharp carving knife to ensure clean cuts and easy slicing. Keep the turkey warm while carving by covering it with foil or a kitchen towel. Carve the turkey at the table if possible, as this makes for a more attractive presentation. Don't forget to save the bones to make turkey stock. With these basic tips and techniques, you should be able to carve a turkey like a pro. Remember to take your time and be patient, and you'll be able to create beautiful and delicious slices of turkey that will impress your guests. Happy Thanksgiving! Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.